Right, next build for Scratch That Itch series is the Tuk Tuk. I love Tuk Tuks, they're cool. This is 155 pieces, so 3 times as many as the last one I did, or the first one I did. Age 7 plus, Tuk Tuk 40469. This is retired, so I'm not sure if you're going to find it or not. I don't care about it being retired, I'm just going to build it because I think it's cool. There's only PDF instructions. The box on the back just shows you what it's like, nothing special about it, and on the front you've got this, so yeah, it's kind of cool. Nice little build, we hope. Let's open her up and see what we've got inside. I hope you like this new series because I've got so many smaller builds and I didn't really know how to do it properly, but there we go. Nice and simple, good for the kids, good for old kids like me. There we go, done it. Okay, box open. What have we got? We've got 3 bags. We got our fully fledged instructions, no code for claiming points, and there's none on the poly bags either, but that's not a problem. There we go, step-by-step instructions, so we'll put that to one side and use the larger ones because old man eyesight, all that. Let's open up the bags and put them all over the table. He says can't even open a bag. There we go. Awesome. If I see another one of these, I might buy it and keep it. Oh, come on. There's always one soft side. Interesting. Okay, there we go. Nice. And then the small one. Right there. Cool. Right. Actually quite a lot of parts really for such a small build, but we'll see what happens. And we'll do a speed build as per normal. Okay. Like I said before, these are good little builds if you've got that itch you want to scratch, or you want to keep kids busy. Nice and cheap, don't hurt the wallet, which is cool. Okay, and let's spread these out a little bit as well, and I think we'll be away. Okie dokie, cool. Right then, it's a mess, but it's okay. I will stop recording. Smash the like button, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the speed build. There you go, another nice quick simple build. This is very awesome looking. I don't know what it is about Tuk Tuks, but they are incredible in real life as well as this. This is very, very cool. I love the detail. So you got your lights, indicators on the front. So these are your indicators. I suppose that's your light. The middle one with a little grill piece. Then around the back, you've got the same with the stoplights, and inside you have the indicators. I like this. I don't know what this is supposed to be, maybe hand cleaner or something, I don't know. And a little number plate there, could have done with a sticker with a number plate on it, but whatever. You've got 3 tiny little wheels, you've got the exhaust coming out the back. The details are awesome, I really like it. And then you've got the little tassels here, which are really cool. Back seats, obviously you can't put a minifigure in there. And the driver's seat here, maybe a minifigure could go in there, but you can't really take the roof off, so it'll be a bit fiddly. That would have been cool if they'd made the roof a little bit easier to take off, but whatever, that's just a niggly little thing. And then of course on top of here is like luggage. I suppose it's supposed to be luggage of some description. But yeah, I love it. The front mud guard here, that's cool. And the screen can open up, so if you're hot, you can let in some air. A little shield on the top here, sun shield. I mean, the detail on something so small is awesome. I'm loving it. Little steps to get up into the Tuk Tuk on both sides as passengers. So yeah, obviously it wheelies everywhere. Awesome, I love it. And it's really like washability, playability, awesome. Very, very sturdy, and I'm going to be sitting here doing this for the rest of the day, I think. Anyway, what do you think? Thumbs up, scratch the itch? I think it did. It scratched my itch, and that's 2 I've done now in this new mini-series. Scratch the itch and buy Lego for cheap. GG. Okay, sorry. Smash a like, comment, subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in the next video. Have fun.